Hello guys, today I'll show you how to do a pocket knife with a paper. First things first, you have to fold this like this. Equally. Can you see it? I think yes. Then you do like this. You have to cut it in half. Well, I use my hands to do it because my sister doesn't allow me to use hers, but I'll do it to rip it with hands. First things first, that you go under like this. Put it on the ground to make it easy. Then do this. I'll make it faster. If I go like this. When you're done, you don't need this one because this one is extra to make another one, but I can do it without it. Fold it again so everything will be perfect. I don't care how you fold it like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then you do this. Well, actually, you have to do it perfect, but I did it imperfect. Then you have to do this again. Oh, I don't know, bro. 2 minutes already. Oh, sorry for this email. When you've been done with this, turn it like this. Like you do an airplane when you aren't. 220 now. 40 more seconds left. Then do this. And then fold it like this. Like this. Done. You'll have this pocket knife you can like open and then get it. Either way to close it, it's like this. Please subscribe and like. You don't know how it means to me. Bye. Hope you learned it.